I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to batch rename files in Finder on your Mac. Step 1. Open Finder and navigate to the folder containing the files you want to rename. Step 2. Select the files you want to change. You can press Command and A to select everything in the folder, or hold down Command while clicking to pick specific files. Step 3. Right-click or Control-click any of the highlighted files and select Rename from the shortcut menu. A Rename Finder Items window appears at the top of your selection. Step 4. In the drop-down menu at the top left, you'll see 3 different ways to rename your files. Replace text. This is perfect for swapping one word for another. For example, you can find Project A and replace it with Project B across all selected files. Add text. This allows you to add a prefix or a suffix. You can choose to add text either before or after the current file name. Format. This is the most powerful option. It allows you to rename everything entirely and add a sequence, like 1, 2, 3, or a counter to keep them in order. Step 5. Once you've set your parameters, look at the example at the bottom left of the window to see a preview of how the new names will look. If everything looks correct, tap Rename. And before we wrap up the video, a few tips. Tip number 1, the instant undo. We've all made a mistake in a batch rename that turned 500 files into a total mess. If you click Rename and immediately realize you made a typo, don't panic. Just press Command and Z on your keyboard. Finder will instantly revert all of those files back to their original names as long as it's the very next action you take. Tip number 2, sorting matters. Keep in mind that when you use the Format option to add numbers, Finder renames them in the order they are currently sorted in your folder. If you want your photos to be numbered by the date they were taken, make sure your Finder window is sorted by date created before you highlight them and hit Rename. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.